Hello everyone, welcome to B School Buddies. So if you have given CAT 2024, you must be browsing through different videos and different articles, wondering about what will be your percentile based on the marks that you are getting. Now we are little late in this, that we understand, but I think more than being the sooner, what matters is that whether you are exact or not. So that is what we have tried in this particular analysis. And in this analysis, we will tell you what, of course, will be the marks versus percentile across the slots. So whichever slots you are in, we will tell you how difficult or easy that slot was. What will be the normalization effect according to our calculation? What will be the final marks versus percentile for you? In case this is our first interaction, I'm Prashant Chaudhary. I have scored 99.93 in CAT 2020. Other than that, I have scored 99.98 in CET as well, and I'm a pass out from JPIMS. Let's move forward and deep dive into this CAT 2024 analysis. So if I compare slot 1 versus slot 2 versus slot 2, again, this is not my personal opinion, but because of data, we need to say that slot 1 was easy for VRC, slot 2 was easy for VRC, and slot 3 was moderate. For DILR, slot 1 easy, slot 2 moderate, and slot 3 again moderate. Slot 1 for QA moderate, slot 2 difficult, and slot 3 easy. So if I need to compare slot 1 versus slot 2 versus slot 3, you will find the slot 2 comes out to be hardest one. After that, slot 3, and after that, slot 1. So that means if I need to compare these three slots, I can say slot 2 was difficult, slot 3 was moderate, and slot 1 was easy. Okay. Now, once you have known that this is slot 1, this is slot 2, this is slot 3, now we can even figure out the normalization effect. I'm not going what is the behind the calculation, but this is the normalization effect according to us. So according to us, for VARC, only slot 1 will be increased by +1. So if let's say your score in VARC for slot 3 is 19, then your score after normalization will become 20. Okay. Now, when I say there's no normalization in slot 1, slot 2, there might be a decimal normalization. So we haven't taken that into consideration. If I talk about DILR, slot 1 is losing in DILR around -5 marks. Slot 2 is exactly there. In slot 3, there's +1. If I need to talk about slot 1 QA, there's no effect of normalization. In slot 2, there's +2. In slot 3, there's -1. So if I need to talk about the overall effect, slot 1 is getting -5, slot 2 is getting +2, and slot 3 is getting +1. So if let's say score is 130, then in slot 1, it will become 125. In slot 2, it will become 132. In slot 3, it will become 131. Now, whatever your score was, you must have normalized that. Now, what we will see in the next screen is the normalized score versus percentile. So, whatever your normalized marks or score is, this is the percentile curve according to that. So, in case you're getting overall 123, that means you will get 99.9 percentile. In case you are getting 76 overall, that means 95. So, again, if let's say in slot 1, you are getting 81 score, you need not to say corresponding to 81, but rather you need to go to normalization, that is -5. That means your score will be 76, and that is how you will get 95 percentile. Now, these are the approx percentile. You must have checked your approx percentile in different score predictors as well, but this is what our prediction looks like. And similarly, you can check in VARC, LRDI, and QA as well. If you're looking to clear all the sectional cutoffs, you need to look at these three lines. In most of the colleges, the sectional percentile is 80, but you must target to get 90. So it's better if you're getting 90 plus in all three sectionals. But 80 plus in all three sectionals are necessary. Now we will compare how CAT 2024 was as compared to CAT 2022 or CAT 2023. So if you look for 99.9 percentile, marks required in 2024 is 123. This is the normalized score. In 2023, this was the score. In 2022, this is the score. So if you look at this particular score, you will realize that 2024 is the easiest one among these three. 2023 remains the hardest one, and 2022 is the easiest one. Similarly, for each and every score, you can see for the 90 mark as well. In 2023, only 45 marks were required, but in 2024, 65 marks will be required. So, I mean, it was very good to see that many candidates are happy after seeing the easy paper in 2024, but you need to get higher marks in order to get the same percentile since the paper was easy. So this was our analysis. Hope this helped you. We will bring a new series as well in which we will suggest you some colleges based on the percentile you will be having. So what you need to do is, once you are done calculating the score and calculating the percentile using the our prediction, what you need to comment is your score or your normalized score, and similarly percentile corresponding to that. If there will be a lot of people lying in a certain percentile range, let's say 90 to 95 or 95 plus, or let's say 99 plus, we will make a college specific video for that particular percentile range. However, we will be bringing the college video for each and every percentile range. Thank you so much for this attending this video. You can follow us among our different channels, and of course, if you are coming first time to our channel, you can subscribe to our channel and like this video. If you want to join our OMEDS preparation group, which is a free community, and our GDPI preparation group, which is again a free program, you can join through the WhatsApp link given in the description. Thank you so much. Bye. Stay tuned to the channel to see next videos.